What's up, guys? We are back. I just wanted to say how much I appreciate all the support that I've gotten from, all my friends and family and whoever else has watched this video. I didn't think that it would get to this point, I have, at this point, 75 views. That just blows me away that is even, to that point. I just wanted to say thank you. And keep watching because I'm gonna keep doing stuff. I'm gonna keep putting out content as soon as I can. But to start this off, I feel like I'm missing something here. Much better. Let's get started. First things first, hand washing. Gotta keep all the diseases and nastiness at bay. Here we go. Alright, let's get started here. First things first, you'll need some roast. I used bottom round roast right here. I got 2 of them because it calls for 3 pounds. 1 large onion, soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce, calls for garlic salt, but I'm going to use the garlic powder, ground black pepper, dry onion mix, soup mix, cream of mushroom. Last time I made this, since I'm a lover of extreme heat, I put 2 ghost peppers in there. I would not recommend that unless you want to be in the bathroom all day. And of course, since we don't have any ghost peppers currently in the garden, I picked up some of these chilies at the store since I want to add a little spice to it. I've never had these chilies from the store, so I thought I would, try a piece or so. Chewy. Very good flavor. Not too spicy, but very good flavor. Give it a thumbs up. Then you of course need some measuring spoons and measuring cups. And of course, a crock pot to cook the roast. Next thing we want to do is take the meat and rinse it off. Rinse it off real good. There we go. Rinse out the container because I'm going to set it back in this container. The next thing I would recommend is to wash your hands very thoroughly. Since you were touching the meat. And after that, you want to clean the sink out with some Comet. And now we have a clean sink after we cleaned it with the Comet. Next, we take the meat and we throw it into the crock pot and dispose of the container. Repeat that with both pieces. And since we touched the container with the meat, I would recommend washing your hands again. Next, we chop the onion and put it on top of the meat. Now this recipe that I'm using did not call for this, but I'm going to use some carrots, some potatoes, and some celery because it adds to the meal. As you can see, I've sliced up the celery and the potatoes and thrown in the carrots. Next thing you want to do is to rinse them off very thoroughly. to make sure you get any leftover dirt that may be on them. Time to throw them in. Now you have a whole meal instead of just meat. Now that you're done with that, it's best to dispose of the leftover pieces from the vegetables. And if you have a garden, you can dispose of them by putting them in the compost. Now we put in 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Mix it all in there. Next, 1 tablespoon Worcester sauce. Mix that all in there. Next, 1 tablespoon garlic powder. Mix that all up in there. Next, you put in 1/4 of a teaspoon of ground black pepper. Next, 1 packet of dry onion soup mix. Next, 1 can of condensed cream of mushroom soup. And of course, this is completely optional, but I'm gonna throw some of those chilies in. Mix it all up, give it some good flavor. And there you have it. You just gotta put the lid on and turn it on, and you're ready to go. You'll turn the crock pot on low setting, and that will be for 6 hours. Now, of course, I'm gonna stir this up just a tad, just so that all the stuff's mixed together, and that it's laying flat. Put the lid back on, and I'll be ready to go in 6 hours. And that, my friends, is all. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that it was very thorough in showing you how to make this venison roast. I hope that it tastes great, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching this video. Like, subscribe, share with your friends. Lucas out!